Not yet, not yet. Hold on. Trying to get these words together in my mind.
All right. Let me know when you're ready.
What's up, Hold Down Performance? Today we got this Honda Rancher in. Last week we went riding. The person that owns it was not happy with the performance.
Yeah, we were having fun.
Oh yeah. So it was the slowest one of the pack. Oh. They also flipped it.
That's what she said.
So we're gonna take a look at it, try to get it going, and try to sell it. That way you can upgrade. And this is what we got going so far. No bueno.
What is up? What's up, y'all? I would like to introduce James to the channel. If you hadn't already known, if you don't follow me closely on Instagram, which you should be doing, but if you're not, that's understandable. I'll tell you now. I'm trying to take my YouTube channel to a different direction, more of an entertainment, and James is helping me do that. And in this video, he is learning a little bit of a mechanicking skill. So I'm kind of just sitting back, filming everything, teaching him, walking him through the mechanics of it. So y'all just sit back and enjoy the video.
All right, update time. So we adjusted the valves. The valves are adjusted. Try to crank it up. Still doesn't have compression. So that leads us to believe that it's deeper inside the motor. So we pulled the motor, and now we're about to break it down and try to figure it out. We removed the head to make sure the valves wasn't bent. They were not bent, thank God. And then we started looking, and we started looking at the piston. Come get this. I want to show the viewers. Yeah, the piston was kissing.
What's wrong?
You kiss funny.
So we went a little bit further in that. We removed the side cover, and then we seen that the chain was not on. So that led us to dig just a tad bit deeper. And the chain holder had broke.
Hello!
$17 part caused all of this damage.
5 minutes later.
The parts are here. What's up, everybody? So we finally got the parts in. Now we're gonna put the parts on and assemble everything, and hopefully everything can go well. We'll crank it tonight and give you a good show.
Day 23 of the Honda Rancher 420 build. Putting some oil in it, put the motor back in. Looks like we're probably gonna have a shift fork issue. It's not looking like the shift fork's engaged, so we're still gonna crank it up. We're gonna risk it. That's what we do, we risk for you. We risk it for you, risk it all for you. This is when I said it's here. All right, got the oil in there. Now, I'm gonna adjust the shifter and then we're gonna turn it over. This is a ice cold start.
So that concludes the video. I would personally like to thank each and every one of y'all for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. We can only grow with feedback from you guys. So please, if you got any feedback, please let us know in the comments. Let us know if you would have did anything different. Also, let us know what you would like to see in the future. All right, take care.